Hi everyone, I am Michelle Pasilona and this is my Sprout Up Journey. Naging masaya, interesting, and memorable ba ang Agri 31 Fundamentals of Crop Science 1 laboratory class ko this sem? The only right answer is yes. And in this video, I'll show you the reasons why. Dito sa lab class namin, hindi lang puro pagsasagot ng worksheets and traditional face-to-face discussions. In just 4 months, we were able to visit various places inside the campus, saw different familiar and unfamiliar crops, their diseases, the processes they go through, and many more. As someone who never knew na ma-enjoy ko tong lab class for an agricultural course, na-amaze ako sa mga activities na na-experience ko while learning at the same time. Dito ko rin na-realize na bilang kabataan, tayo talaga ang pag-asa ng agrikultura. Tayo ang pag-asa ng bayan. I can truly say that choosing an agriculture-related career pathway would never go wrong. For thousands of years, agriculture has provided an opportunity to improve the lives of millions of Filipinos and continues to help our country to develop our economy that creates jobs and raises incomes. Today's agriculture also impacts future generations. At tayo, bilang mga kabataan, I believe that through agriculture, we can all help solve global hunger as well as the problem of food insecurity. So together, let's sprout up. This is Michelle Pasilona para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.